Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear student, I am Muhammad Shahjahan, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Dear student, after this lecture, you will be able to explain trial balance. You will be able to know why trial balance is prepared. You can able to determine debit and credit of different types of account. You can able to prepare trial balance. You can able to know which item will not be recorded in trial balance. Dear student, look at accounting cycle. Dear student, you know that in chapter 3, chapter 4, we have discussed about accounting cycle. And look at the first step, it is identifying transaction. Then analysis of transaction. Then journal. Then ledger. After that, yes, I hope you understand by this time, it is trial balance. That means trial balance is the fifth step of accounting cycle. First step, identifying transaction. Second, analysis transaction. Then journal. Then ledger. Then we have to prepare trial balance. Dear student, trial balance. Dear student, look at a list of a books, Bangla books, math, English, accounting, general knowledge, general science. This is list. Trial balance is also a list. Trial balance is a list of ledger balance. Dear student, in the accounting cycle, you see that after ledger we have prepared trial balance. So from the ledger, whatever balance we will get, we will make a list of that balance. It is a trial balance. So trial balance is prepared for testing arithmetical accuracy. The list which is prepared with debit and credit balance of ledger is called trial balance. That means, dear student, what is called trial balance? Trial balance is a list which is prepared with debit and credit balance of ledger is trial balance. Dear student, that means trial balance is a list of ledger balances which is prepared at the end of year, accounting year. Dear student, in trial balance there are two sides, debit side and credit side. Account. How many types of account, dear student, you can remember? In account chapter 5 we have discussed. There are 5 types of account: asset, liabilities, revenue and income, expenses and equity. That means these are the 5 types of account. That means all items of trial balance will belongs to these 5 types of account: asset, liabilities, revenues, expense and equity. You know that asset and expenses, these two accounts shows always debit balance. On the other hand, liability, revenue or income or equity are shown credit balance. Dear student, so these are the 5 types of account which will record in trial balance. And asset and expense account is debit, revenue, liability and equity account will be credited. Dear student, look at some example. This is a building, that means it is an asset. This is furniture, this is also an asset. Dear student, look at what is going on here. Purchase, and here salary is given. Look at, they are taking salary from the authorities. Dear student, the formula asset and expense, if it is increase, then it is debit. Asset and expense, this balance is shown debit. Dear student, very important, you have to keep in your mind. Keep it in your mind. Asset and expense, debit. Asset and expense account will be debited. That means asset means you have seen building, furniture, machineries, equipment, all are asset. On the other hand, salary, purchase, advertisement, rent, these are the expenses. So these two accounts are shown debit balance. Dear student, bank, we may take loan from bank. This is sales. income. Then yeah, lots of cash money, capital given by the owner. So dear student, loan it is a liability, sales it is an income, and capital it is an equity. These three account: liability, revenue, and equity. You know that income and revenue same word, synonyms. Liability, revenue, and equity shows liability, revenue, and equity shows credit balance. So dear student, again I am telling you have to keep it in mind. If you would like to do trial balance, asset and expense will be recorded in debit side, liability, revenue, and equity in the credit side. Dear student, this is a format of trial balance. Look at first you have to write serial 1 2 3 4 5, then name of account, that means cash account, furniture account, building account, machineries account, then LF, that means which ledger this come from. Then asset and expense account will be in the debit side, and revenue, liability, and equity in the credit side. Then you will get a trial balance, and both the side of trial balance will be equal. That means total of debit side will be equals to total of credit side. Dear student, look at a trial balance. This is a trial balance, serial number given, name of the account, purchase, sales. Look at if it is purchase, expense, debit side. If it is sales, income in the credit side. Drawings, it is opposite to the equity, debit side. Capital, it is in the credit side. So this way all asset account and expense account in the debit side, and income, liabilities, and equities account are in the credit side. Dear student, generally the following items will not be recorded in the trial balance. Be careful, this is most important. Another important, as after asset, expenses, debit, income, liability, credit, this is the second important one. Generally the following items will not be shown in trial balance. Number one, closing stock. We will not record closing stock generally. In some cases, you know that closing stock will be recorded in trial balance if there is adjusted purchase in the math. That time closing stock will be recorded in trial balance. Then opening bank balance, that means opening balance of bank account will not be recorded in trial balance. Then opening bank overdraft, if there is any bank overdraft, that also will not be recorded in trial balance. Then opening stock, if there is an opening stock, that time it will not be recorded in trial balance. Dear student, opening stock will be recorded if there is adjusted purchase. Opening stock, if there is adjusted purchase, in that time we will not record opening stock. Dear student, keep in mind, in that time we have to record closing stock. Generally closing stock will not be recorded, but if there is adjusted purchase in the trial balance, in that time we will record opening stock instead of closing stock. Again I am telling, generally closing stock will not be recorded in the trial balance, but in the math if there is adjusted purchase instead of purchase, then we will record opening stock. Then opening balance of current asset also will not be recorded in trial balance. Opening balance of current asset, any types of current asset, if the opening balance is given, that will not be recorded. Then unsold, unused stationery or closing stationery will not be recorded in trial balance. And opening balance of current liability also will not be recorded in trial balance. Opening balance of current liability. Then contingent liability or anticipated asset. Contingent liability means the probable liability, that means which may be our liability, that also will not be recorded in trial balance. And anticipated asset, that means there is probability of any asset, that also will not be recorded in trial balance. Dear student, assessments. Number one, what is trial balance? Dear student, please write down what is trial balance, because in the lecture I have discussed. So I think if you can see the lecture clearly, you can write the definition of trial balance. What is trial balance? Then which item will be recorded in debit side of trial balance? Dear student, if you can remember, it will be very easy one. Which item will be recorded in trial balance? Then number three, which item will be recorded in credit side of trial balance? That means at first we will write which item will be recorded in debit side of trial balance, then we will write which item will be recorded in credit side of trial balance. Then which item will not be recorded in trial balance? That means, dear student, in CQ2, CQ3, CQ4, you will make a list which item will be recorded debit side, credit side, and will not be recorded. Of course, you will submit it in my personal ID, dear student. Then which item will not be recorded in trial balance? Dear student, there is a homework. Dear student, this is CQ1 from your books. The following ledger balances are taken from MEM Enterprise. So you will do this